a Yoda marker, a beacon with sticky notes, a magnet with a bomb, and Bhaskar Steel made out of an eraser. Find out how to make school supplies inspired by the Mandalorian in our new video. Redhead is in the middle of something interesting when… Oh no! I broke my pencil! The brave Mandalorian will help you. He is flying through the whole galaxy to fix your pencil. Fill a makeup cap with hot glue. Put in a pencil sharpener. Make a hole for a pencil outside using the tip of a hot glue gun. Coat the cap with silver chrome paint. Add the helmet details with acrylic paint. Add a layer of glossy polish on top. Put a pencil into the helmet and it's done! Did I hear that right? Does Miss Smith need help? I'll send my Mandalorian to you. But Miss Smith isn't a fan of spin-off TV shows. Go back to your spot and write, you wannabe Jedi! The topic of today's class is The Mandalorian. Poor Sean! He can't remember how to spell it, and he keeps making mistakes. But Baby Yoda is coming to the rescue. Oh! Hello, child! Will you help me fix my mistake? Shape Baby Yoda's face out of polymer clay. Put in beads to be eyes. Press in details with a modeling tool. Shape ears. Bake the clay according to the package instructions. Also make little hands. Color the head with acrylic paint and coat the eyes with glossy polish. Cover the rest of the head with matte polish. Attach cotton fibers while the polish is still wet. Take a kid's coat. Nah, that's still way too big. Take a doll coat. Glue in a mini green marker. Attach the head on top. Glue the hands into the sleeves. All real Star Wars fans know that Yoda has healing powers, so our baby Yoda did its job. The mistake disappeared thanks to Yoda's influence. It's a miracle. This time, it's correct. Thank you, Baby Yoda! Do you need paper clips? Here, you can take my fish. Cut little fish out of polymer clay. Adjust the shape with a modeling tool. Draw details. Boil the fish for 10 minutes. Glue paper clips to the back of the fish. Coat the fish with glow-in-the-dark paint. Put it into a basket. What? Did you drop them again? Wookie, you were so clumsy! Hold on, the wizard will light up the way for these poor fish. Miss Smith, is that you again? I'm cleaning it up, don't worry. I always keep the galaxy nice and tidy. Let's start chemistry class. Come on, attach your homework to the blackboard. Good job! And Sean is the only true fan of Star Wars and an undercover young Padawan. He attached his homework with a bomb. Hot glue a magnet into a big plastic bottle cap. Cut the neck off a regular plastic bottle with a heated utility knife. Glue it to the cap. Cover the whole piece with metallic tape. Attach a big red rhinestone on top. Ah! Holy Death Star! Do you want to blow us up without even leaving your desk? Calm down. This is just a harmless magnet. The prank worked! Everyone needs something from Miss Smith. Either notebooks or pens or books. Hey, you robbed my whole desk, you greedy Chewbacca's! Now I'll be watching you, and my loft cat will help me out. Cut a styrofoam ball in half. Trace a hole puncher on one half. Use the tip of a hot glue gun to press in a shape like this. Glue in the hole puncher. Shape the face of a cat on the styrofoam with the tip of the hot glue gun. Coat the head with texture paste so it looks like fur. Glue felt ears on top. Color the head with acrylic paint. Shape eyeballs with gold hot glue. Put in a half bead as a pupil. Glue artificial hairs to the eyebrows and whiskers. Cover the glue with acrylic paint. Attach chicken legs to the bottom removable part of the hole puncher. Oh, it's so scary! This cute cat won't let anyone come close to the main Jedi's desk. Go away! Plus, it's super useful. The loft cat can bite paper wherever you need it to. There you go! Baby Yoda's portrait is done! Your payment, please! Is this Bhaskar Steel okay? Yeah, sure! Draw the Imperial crest on a round eraser. Cut out a stamp with a utility knife. Shape a rectangular piece out of 2 kneaded erasers. Press the stamp in the corner. Thanks! Oh, hang on! I need to erase the pencil mark right here. It's great that we have Bhaskar Steel. It can fix any mistakes. Hey, what are you doing? This is the most valuable Mandalorian alloy. Calm down. You can easily shape this metal because it's made out of a kneaded eraser. If you want, we can make some new armor for you. Here, your steel looks brand new again, and it even has the Imperial crest. The assignment for today was to bring some iodine formulas. So, where is your homework, Redhead? I'm so sorry, I misunderstood and I brought the wrong material. I have some Yoda cookies. Make cookies out of pre-made gingerbread dough using an angel-shaped cookie cutter. Carefully cut off the heads. You get a Yoda silhouette. Bake the cookies following the recipe. Coat the cookies with colored glaze. Here they are, my gingerbread Yodas. At least they are delicious. Want some? Who needs chemistry when you can eat something tasty? These cookies are worthy of the whole galaxy. All right, have some. Redhead, your Yoda cookies are top-notch. Thanks for the treat. All the Yodas disappeared. It's like magic. Miss Smith left the classroom, and she's making us take a test. But Redhead has a great device. It's a homing beacon with sticker notes. Cut sticker notes on a base to fit into a little container. Glue in the base. Wrap the container in metallic tape. Poke 2 holes in the cap. Put a bent wire into them. Fasten the ends of the wire with hot glue. Attach a crimp connector. Cut a decorative panel out of black cardboard. Glue it to the cap and attach a red half bead on top. Let's see how it works. Attach a sticker note onto the teacher. Now I can track her. Miss Smith is far away, so we can easily cheat. No one will see. The beacon worked. Hide everything right now. She's coming. What perfect behavior. And no one is cheating. Good job, kids! Sean built a spaceship. Now nothing can stop him. We are getting into turbulence. I'm pulling the controller. Watch out, meteorites! Take a finger clamper apart. Take out the ball. Poke a hole in it with the tip of a hot glue gun. Put the ball back and put in a pen with a cap. Also make a hole in a ping pong ball the same way and glue it to the pen plug. Cut a ring out of a cylindrical cardboard box to fit the stand. Cut it in half. Cut a rectangle in the middle of the arch you got. Make two sides out of thick cardboard. Hot glue them to the arch. Make the bottom the same way. Coat all the pieces with chrome spray paint. And hot glue the pieces together. Oh, Miss Smith! How did you survive in outer space? But the teacher isn't in the mood for any more games. She takes the controller into her own hands. Plus, she'll need a pen today. Sean doesn't give up hope. I'll try to save at least something from my spaceship. Sean! Hey, get out of here! Play in the hall and give me back the controller. It's all okay, but the galaxy feels empty without Sean. Fine, whatever. Come back to my planet. Did you like our Mandalorian-inspired school supplies? Then comment below what you liked the most. A baby Yoda marker, a pen and a spaceship controller, a magnetic bomb, or a scary cat hole puncher. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new unusual school supplies from Troom.